Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel Counting Bytes. So today I'm gonna tell you that how to know the Wi-Fi passwords of all the connected networks to your PC or laptop. By this method, you will know all the passwords of the Wi-Fi networks that you have been connected to. This method is actually carried out by using few commands in command prompt. That's a very powerful tool in Windows, as we all know. So let's start it. We need to run the command prompt as administrator because we are going to access the system files. Now the command prompt window opens. So it's our part. We need to type the first command, which is net sh space lan space show space profile and click or hit enter. After hitting enter, you can see that all the profiles that you have been connected to are shown on the command window. All user profiles like Redmi, Magal Constructions, OnePlus 6T, iPhone, Nagendra, etc. Community OnePlus. So all these profiles that my PC has been connected to, and their passwords are stored in the system. So now to store these passwords as a text file or a readable file for us, we need to write the second command. So the second command is net sh lan space export profile space folder equal to sign C and semicolon backward slash space key again equal to sign clear. Now we need to hit enter again. After this, you can see a lots of commands have been executed, and let me read one of few of them. Interface profile Redmi saved in the file C Wi-Fi. Now we can close this window. We need to go inside this PC, local disk C, and here we can see a lots of new files have been added to the system directory, like Wi-Fi, all these are the Wi-Fi profiles. So let us check. Suppose I want to check this Wi-Fi Oppo F9 Pro. What's the Wi-Fi password of this network? So right click on that and just open it with Notepad here. So one thing we need to notice that the password is usually stored between these two words, key material, and in this case the password is 12345678. So that's the Wi-Fi password for this network. Okay, we can simply close it. Let's check for another one. Let us check for this Wi-Fi iPhone. I'm going to open this with Notepad, and as we can see, the password is 456456456. Okay, so by this method you can know all the previous passwords of all the previously connected Wi-Fi networks of your device. So that's a nice tutorial, I think. Hope you guys like. Just keep sharing with your friends and keep learning. Thanks.